Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the build-it-yourself dragon toy with an amazing fire-breathing smoke effect. Now, everyone who has seen this, kids and adults alike, have absolutely adored this. Let's take a look. Now first, you're gonna have so much fun building this. There's no tools required, and it helps developing children's dexterity and hand-eye coordination. Then you're gonna add 3 AAA batteries, which are not included, and then fill the head with a little bit of water. It even comes included with a pipette to make the whole process easy. Then watch as it comes to life in a stunning display of lights, smoke, and sound as it autonomously roams around. Now what you're gonna love is that the LED light accentuates the smoking effect, making this truly awesome. Best of all, it's harmless water vapor, so it's cool to the touch. Now your children are gonna have hours upon hours of endless fun. And for you parents, if you need a little bit of quiet time, you can even choose to turn off the sound. Now another great feature is that this promotes STEM learning because you can see the gears inside working together to make this run. Now this is already one of the best-selling toys on our site, and for good reason. Now we have an absolutely incredible deal that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours before they're all sold out.